Hey, meet Beryl, our beautiful damsel and graduate about to see her full decor reveal. But first, you have to watch this video to the end to see her full reaction. Hello beautiful person watching this, and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nora G, and today's video is a decor setup and also a marquee letter DIY. Alright, so this time around I found myself in Bowie, in Maryland. Yes, so I basically had to travel all the way for this because of course the graduate or celebrant wanted me to, and she made sure of that. There she is dancing and hiding her face. Alright, so this is the before video of the basement area which I will be decorating. But first I had to create letter RN because our graduate is going to be a registered nurse. Yes, amazing. So yes, I will be creating a marquee letter. These already have 5 videos on my channel on how to make this, so you can very well refer to those for a step-by-step tutorial. I do have the links in the description box below, so make sure to check those out. And also do not forget that I still do sell the templates for letters and numbers for those of you interested to try this out for your events. You can check the pinned comment below on how to get the number and letter templates from me. And for those of you who've already patronized me by purchasing the templates, I just want to say a big thank you to you all for supporting my channel by purchasing through me. I strongly recommend using a large table area where you can basically do this. I would not recommend bending over like I am currently doing because it will take a toll on your back. I know I am definitely going to work on this. It's just right now I needed to get this done as quick as possible, and also I didn't have enough space or table to do this on. Alright, so I made do of what I had. I also like to take this opportunity to thank all of you who've sent me your marquee letters and numbers that you made from the templates that you got from me and from watching my DIYs. So this is what the final look is like before lighting it up. And also this is the back of the marquee letter. Someone had actually sent me an email requesting for me to show you all the back of the marquee letters after you put the bulbs in, and that is what it looks like. Ask me any questions pertaining to marquee numbers and letters, questions that you didn't quite understand in my previous videos, just mention them in the comments section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you all. Thank you. Now for the decor setup proper, I am using my backdrop, my starlight curtain backdrop, which I love very much by the way, to cover the back end wall just to give it, you know, a night sky kind of look. So I will link this in the description box as well. That is if it's still available. I'm going to link it down below for those of you interested. Okay. And there I have my little helper, Micah, and Baldwin, and Uncle Abe. So yes, I did have a lot of help with this. So it was a quick setup. And while we were at this, setting up the table, I had help with people also inflating the balloons for me because I needed to use a whole lot of balloons. I'm talking about almost 500 or more balloons, as you would see. This table linen seemed to be in style right now as most of my clients seem to like it and prefer this. I was going to use a black tablecloth or white or chevron, but the celebrant actually chose this, so we're using this again. Okay, I'll be using some black candles and then some florals, mixing artificial flowers and real flowers. Okay, so guys, you can do that. And by the way, I have all of the items I will be using on this tablescape linked in the description box below. Okay, so this is a simple graduation tablescape and we will be using black, white and gold. That is the color of the day. So at this point I was 85% gone with my setup. Left for me to do the balloons and then light the candles and have the chairs all around as well as the marquee letters. I also have the links to where you can purchase these balloons as well as the metallic gold balloons in the description box below. So now I was done setting up everything else, and it's time for me to do the finishing touches, adding the balloons with the help of my sweet sister and sister-in-law. As you can see, they say teamwork makes the dream work. Alright, so we're here realizing Burial's dream. And there you find on the side is my brother-in-law rehearsing how to be the MC of the night. Anyways, just keep watching as I do this. So the balloon wall you see on the side over there, if you watched the before video, that is a bookshelf, inbuilt bookshelf. So we had to figure out a way to cover that, and that was the best idea I had at the moment, to basically make a balloon wall, which came out successful, and we actually did like the look of it. So we also had some champagne balloons popping out, as you can see, and then having them go over the RN. So next I just needed to light the candles to put the finishing touches on it all. So once we have the candles lit, I will show you the overall reveal. Just watch as I complete this. And here is the final look of our graduation decor setup using the marquee letters. So before I do show you Burial's reaction to the decor reveal, we are at that point of the video. So if you've watched right up to this point, please do comment congratulations Burial in the comment section and show your girl some love. It's not easy starting to become an RN. I'm not one, but I know it's not easy, okay? Well, basically graduating from anything. So just comment below congratulations Burial, you know, to boost morale, to maybe go for more and achieve higher, because the sky is your limit, Burial. Thank you. Also, if you've noticed, I use Ferrero Rocher on the plates, just like I did in my Christmas table setting video. Link can be found in the description box below. That is a personal preference, and also to warm the mouth of your guests before they actually get to eat. So kind of like an appetizer, okay? So we'll make do of that. Again, this is just to show you that you can use your marquee letters and numbers in different ways for celebrating different occasions. It's all up to you, and it's a very fun and affordable way to up your event or take your occasion up a notch without breaking the bank, okay? So do let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about this decor setup, this basement decor transformation. I would love to know, as always. In case you're wondering how we have the balloons around the fireplace, just to let you know, FYI, that is not an actual fireplace, that is a TV, and I just basically casted a fireplace from YouTube onto the TV just to add to the warmth of the atmosphere, like to just make it feel a little bit more cozy with the candles lit and the ambient lighting, you know, as you can see. And it just basically changed the entire atmosphere for our guests. Alright, so do let me know in the comment section again what you would do differently or what you like the most about this decor setup. I would love to know. Meanwhile, do not forget to check out my other event decor DIY videos, which I have a playlist for in the description box below, and also last week's video on how I made a very beautiful vanity tray using straws. Alright, and now on to Burial's reveal. Okay, so I think that spoke for itself. So guys, that will bring us to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.